Welcome to this training. My name is Debbie from Real Project and I'll be your tutor for this basic course. Okay, in this training we have three sections, which is getting started with computer, using a computer, and also introduction to Google Doc and Microsoft Word. Under getting started with the computer, we'll be looking at what is a computer, some basic components of the computer, and understanding the interface of a computer. And also, under using a computer, we'll be looking at how to shut down and sleep and also restart your computer. And then we'll be moving to how to explore more options on your computer. And then we'll be going to how to create a folder on your computer. And lastly, on this section, we'll be looking at how to copy paste on your folder, right? So the last section is on introduction to Google Doc and Microsoft Word, which also include understanding the Microsoft Word interface and also the Google Doc interface. And then we'll be moving to how to type, edit, and also format your documents, right? And then thirdly, we'll be looking at how to add a table to your document. And then we'll be looking at how to add a watermark to your document. And then lastly, we'll be moving to how to find and replace on Microsoft Word. Thank you so much for your interest for this class, and I will see you in the next section.
Hello, welcome to section 1 of this training. This is what you should expect in this section. A computer is an electronic device that performs arithmetic and logical operations. Now let's look at some basic components of a computer system. We have the monitor, which is the display unit. And then next we have the CPU, which is called the central processing unit. It is known as the brain of the computer and is an electronic circuitry that is capable of executing programs. Next we have the mouse, and on the mouse you can see that we have the right click and the left click. And a mouse is an input device that is used to select, point, move items on the computer. The keyboard. On the keyboard, you can see the various keys on the keyboard, from the escape function, the enter key, the backspace, the delete, the print screen, the scroll, the indicators keys. You have the capital, which is the caps lock. We have the shift, we have the control, we have the window button, we have the alternate, we have the space bar, we have windows again, and then we have menu, control, shift, the arrow buttons, and also the number parts. And lastly, we'll be looking at flash drive. Flash drive is a removable and rewritable storage device and is used to store data. Before you talk about doing anything on your system or your computer, you need to understand the computer interface. Okay, you need to understand the computer interface. Now, where we are right now is called the desktop. Okay, so now you have the desktop, and on the desktop you have the start button, which you can use to search for whatever you want on this computer. You can type whatever you're looking for. Okay, so going back, the next icon here is the tax icons, and you can see them here, right? And here you have the window notification area. This is the window notification area. You can see I'm currently using my internet, and I'm currently using a microphone, my system microphone, and other things you can see here. And lastly, here you can see my date and time. If I double tap on this, If I double tap on this, you can see I can actually change my date and time, or correct my date and time just in case is outdated, right? So this is how to navigate the desktop interface.